Good morning, everyone. Now we will start a new unit number 4. In unit 4, we will discuss some topic uh, like coping with disaster and coping strategies. Some prevention strategies. इन स्ट्रेटजीज़ को हम किस में देखेंगे? यूनिट नंबर 4 में. तो इसके पहले आपके यूनिट 3 कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. आपको नोट्स भी हम प्रोवाइड करवा चुके हैं और वीडियो लेक्चर भी सारे अपडेट हो चुके हैं इस प्लेलिस्ट में. तो आप लोग सारे ये वीडियो यहाँ से देख लीजिएगा. तो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. कोपिंग स्ट्रेटजी. Natural disasters have the potential to produce high levels of stress, anxiety, and anger in those who are affected. They are considered to be traumatic events that can increase the risk of post traumatic stress disorder PTSD in survivors. है ना. क्या रहती है जब नेचुरल डिजास्टर आते हैं तो एक नेचुरल लेवल ऑफ स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी एंड एंगर जो इन लोगों से जो इस चीज़ से अफेक्टेड होते हैं उनमें ये चीज़ें क्रिएट हो जाती हैं, ये चीज़ें कर हो जाती हैं. तो इसमें देखेंगे अनलाइक अदर ट्रॉमेटिक इवेंट्स, natural disaster can result in tremendous destruction of property and financial loss, which further contributes to stress level and disrupt coping effort. For example, a tornado or hurricane can destroy and disperse an entire community, um, diverting their attempts to connect with social support. है ना. अगर देखा जाए सिंपल जो एक एग्जांपल है टोराडो और हरिकेन का, इसमें आप देखिए कि इसमें एंटायर कम्युनिटी जो होती है वो सारी अफेक्ट होती है. फाइनेंशियल लॉसेस होते हैं, प्रॉपर्टी लॉस होता है. वे टू कोप विथ नेचुरल डिजास्टर डिस्कस करें. दो द इफेक्ट ऑफ नेचुरल डिजास्टर कैन बी सेवियर एंड फार रीचिंग, दे आर स्टेप्स यू कैन टेक टू कोप. Here are some ways you may be able to reduce the trauma of a natural disaster. Seek out and connect with social support. Research has consistently found that early intervention, resources, and support from others can be major factor in helping people overcome negative effect of traumatic events. Given that a natural disaster can impact an entirely community, your support system may be weakened by a natural disaster. However, even connecting with one person can make a difference. Identify local support groups are available. Crisis counselors to talk to after a natural disaster. Crisis counselor may be brought in the offer support and help you come up with the way of coping with the impact of natural disaster. Take advantage of these opportunities. Try to establish a schedule. For example, set regular times for meals, waking up in the morning, or talking with family and friends. A natural disaster can greatly disrupt your regular schedule, increasing the extent to which your life feels chaotic and out of control. Coming up with a daily structured schedule can help you establish a sense of predictability and control. Talk about the effect and natural disasters, share your feelings with others, or at the very least find some way to express your emotions. A natural disaster can result in strong feelings of anger, anxiety, and sadness. These emotions need to be expressed. If you hold them in, they may get more instance. Focus on self-care. A natural disaster can deplete your physically as well as emotionally. It is a very important that you make time to care for yourself. Self-care is integral to emotional and physical health. Caring for your body, mind, spirit can increase your ability to cope with the trauma. Make sure you eat well, get enough sleep, and exercise. Mindfulness practices has been also show to help survivor cope with PTSD. Practice healthy coping strategies following a natural disaster. You will experience a number of intense negative emotions. Therefore, it is very important to identify healthy ways of managing these emotions. Alcohol or substance usage, excessive sleeps, and seeking comfort. in food can be effective short-term strategies for managing emotional distress, but in the long term, those behaviors don't address the root issue, often increase distress. Try to limit other sources of stress in your life. Although you may have little control over other sources of stress in your life, try to limit the extent to which you make major decisions or life changes. Your most important take task following a natural disaster is getting your life and emotions back in order. Therefore, it is important to put yourself in a place where it is going to be easier to do this. Find ways to help other. Helping other can provide you with a sense of agencies, purpose, control and empowerment. ये कुछ पॉइंट्स थे जिसमें जब भी कोई डिजास्टर की कंडीशन क्रिएट हो जाती है तो आप मेंटली फिजिकली इफेक्ट होते हैं उस चीज़ से, है ना, जिसमें एंगर, एंग्जाइटी, ये सारी पुअरनेस, ये सारी चीज़ें अकर होती हैं। तो उस कंडीशन में बताया था कि क्या करना चाहिए। नेचुरल डिजास्टर कम इन ऑल डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स, सो डज एंग्जाइटी, the way people are affected by a looming natural disasters or in the aftermath of the one are different and unique to each individual. No one experiences an event the same way. Everyone has a way that process the world based on their individual's lived experience and other factor. This can prove to be unnerving when trying to manage the stress and anxiety caused by a natural disaster. Your thoughts are likely scattered and stirred about as you try to make sense of chaos and attempt to piece yourself back together to move forward. However, it is important in these unclear moments that you have way to cope with the feeling you have. Please feel those feelings, but don't feel them alone. You are not alone. Studies to severe natural disasters show that at least half of those impacted later suffer clinically significant distress. Often, distress can occur a year or more after the disaster. Once the initial recovery and outpouring of support has passed and life still has not returned to normal. If you are feeling anxious leading up to disaster, here are some tips to try. Limit your intake to information on disaster. Check for important information from local and federal government sources, but try not to watch 24/7 cable TV coverage. Also consider the reliability of your sources. Much of the information and many of the posts and videos you can see social media also known fake or unreliable. Talk with others, including people who are preparing for disaster. Have a disaster preparedness plan and keep supplies on hand. Follow your plan in case of disaster. If you thought out evacuation procedures, safety zones, and plans for food, water, and pets ahead of time, you have fewer things to worry about in the moment. Check ready and for making a preparedness plan. Contact a medical professionals if you have trouble coping with the anxiety. Some tips that can help you recover from disaster include seek social support and share your experience with family and community members. Being able to cope and work through the problem together is helpful. Maintaining hope and try to focus on the positive and pay attention to the hopeful stories of human kindness and generosity. Practice positive coping skills like meditating, exercising, and artistic activities. Try to keep a normal routine as much you can possibly can. Communicate openly and honesty with the people around you. Take care of physical health. Get exercise and plenty of sleeps and limit your intake of caffeine and alcohol. Limit your exposure to image of disaster. Give back and do what you can to help others. See if you can help your neighbors or considering donating blood, assisting with rebuilding effort. Seek professional help early possible to take थ्रू योर डिस्ट्रेस। कहने का मतलब बस ये है कि इसमें जो कंडीशंस आती हैं, जो ह्यूमन लाइफ के साथ आती हैं, ह्यूमंस के साथ आती हैं, उन कंडीशंस के साथ हमें क्या करना चाहिए, दूसरों की हेल्प करना चाहिए, है ना, सोशल मीडिया पर फेक न्यूज़ का कम देखना चाहिए, है ना, इंफॉर्मेशन करेक्ट होनी चाहिए, दूसरों की हेल्प करना चाहिए, फिजिकली हेल्थ का कैफीन और एल्कोहल के यूज कम करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये सब चीज़ें तभी यूज होती हैं जब स्ट्रेस होती है। तो प्रैक्टिस पॉजिटिव एक्सरसाइज होनी चाहिए, रूटीन अच्छा होना चाहिए, मेडिटेशन होना चाहिए। तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि सारे इन पॉइंट्स को हम कंसीडर करते हैं ड्यूरिंग अ डिजास्टर। थैंक यू।